lesson is writing an equation from a graph. If you notice the first graph that we have here, it is going downhill. So I do know that my slope is going to be negative. When we're writing an equation from a graph, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to locate our y-intercept. So I can see from this graph that b is equal to 2. Now I'm going to, again, my slope is going to go ahead and be negative because it's going downhill, so I'm writing that. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to count from one point to the next as I'm going, and then I'm going to write my rise over my run. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. I've gone down 4, and now I'm going over 1, 2, 3. So my slope is a negative 4/3. The equation for the line that is graphed is y is equal to our slope being negative 4/3 x plus 2. It's always important to pay attention to your coordinate plane and what are the intervals going up. This first one was counting by ones, 1, 2. This next one, if you notice, our first line doesn't have a number. Our second line has a 4. So that means that every line we see, we're actually counting up by 2s. So I am going to notice again, this is going to be a positive slope because it's going uphill from left to right. And I'm going to start where my y-intercept is. It's down here. And since this is negative 2, we know that is a negative 4. So my b is equal to a negative 4, my y-intercept. And now I'm going to go from the 2 points that are labeled here. And remember, every time I count one space, it is represented by 2. So when I go from this point up just one space, that's 2 spaces. And then a half of a space would be 3. So I know that my slope is going to be, for the rise, is 3. And again, this is up 2, up one more, 3. And now I'm going over 2, and another one would be 3. So it's a 3/3 slope, which is the same as 1. So the equation for this line would be y is equal to x minus 4. Remember, there's always an understood 1 in front of this x, and if you would write that, it would still be right, but the book will not be writing it. The book will be representing it in this way. If this video was helpful to you today, please add a like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe for more Math with Marcia. See you again soon.